Now here I am going to discuss about engineering curves. Engineering curves are used to design and manufacturing of various items like construction of bridge, dams, water tanks, etc. Now here there are basic four types of engineering curves: circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. Now let us see here. Suppose that a cone which is given here. Now this is a cone. Now here this is the axis of cone AB. AB is the axis of cone. Now here, now CD is cutting plane. AB is the axis. Now here, when the cutting plane is inclined to the axis AB and cut all these generators, at that time ellipse curve is generated. Clear? Now this is what first. Now second. Now AB is axis and here CD is cutting plane. AB is axis. Now here, when the cutting plane is inclined to the axis of the cone and this cutting plane is also parallel to the one of its generator, at that time parabola curve is generated. Right? Now for hyperbola. Now suppose that this is a cone. Let us here AB is the axis of cone. Now here cutting plane here CD, C to D. When cutting plane is parallel to the axis of cone, at that time hyperbola is generated. Hyperbola curve is generated. Right? Now for the circle, let us see here. This is a cone and AB is A to B is axis of cone. Now this is a cutting plane. Now when cutting plane is perpendicular to the axis of this cone, at that time circle is generated. Clear? Now eccentricity. Eccentricity is a ratio of distance of point from the focus to the distance of point from the directrix. Now let us see here. Directrix is a ratio of distance from the focus point, distance from the point focus to the vertex V to the distance of vertex to the directrix, so that it is denoted by VF upon VF by VC. Here, when E equal to VF by VC equal to, we can say that 2 J3, so that E less than 1, at that time ellipse is generated. When E equal to 1 for parabola, when E greater than 1 hyperbola. Right? So that let us see here. Whenever V2D distance, suppose that this is a 4 and B to C distance. Suppose that this is a 5. So that this curve is generated ellipse. Whenever, suppose that B to F is 5 and C to V also 5. At the time E equal to 1. This curve generated is parabola. Right? Now here. Now problem 1. Draw a ellipse by concentric circle method. Here given data AB equal to 120 mm and CD equal to 60 mm. In given data, major axis is 120 mm and minor axis is 60 mm. So that here we are going to draw the major axis AB equal to 120 mm. Here AB equal to 120 mm. Now here draw the arc. Here arc length must be greater than or equal to half of AB. So that here draw the arc from point B, both sides. Connect 2 points which is passing through the AB. Now here minor axis CD equal to 60. So that here C2D, this. Now CD, which is intersecting at point O. AB and CD, which is intersecting at point O. O is the center of the circle. Now draw the circle from the center O and radius of circle equal to O to A. Now this circle, outer circle, which is divided into 12 equal parts. Here length of arc equal to O to B. Now this is a point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now draw the circle from the center O and radius of circle equal to O to C. Now I in a circle point 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 10 dash, and 12 dash. Now draw the vertical lines from point 1 of outer circles and this line must be parallel to CD. D. Draw another vertical lines from 2 and 10 from the outer circle, same as 8 and 4, same as 0.5 and 7. Now, draw the horizontal line from point 1 dash to 12 dash, which is intersecting line which is passing through the 1 dash. Now we are first intersecting line 1 and 1 dash. This is point P1. Here P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11. Now draw the arc from A to P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3, P3 to P4, 4 to 5 to B, same as B to P7, P8 to P9, and here now here this is ellipse curve. This is known as ellipse curve. Now problem 2 is to construct an ellipse when distance of focus from the directrix is equal to 50 mm and here eccentricity is equal to 2 by 3. Now here in given data, distance of focus from the directrix is equal to 50 mm. So that here C to F distance which is given, C to F equal to 50 mm. Now here eccentricity is equal to 2 by 3. So that here when here eccentricity is less than 1, so that ellipse curve is generated. Now here draw any vertical line AB as a directrix. Draw any vertical line AB, A to B. Now from line AB, draw a point which is equal to 50 mm. Now here in data, this is C and here F. C to F equal to 50 mm, which is given. Now here eccentricity is equal to 2 by 3, so that here C to F divided into 5 equal parts. From the point F, 2 equal parts. Mark as point V is a vertex. Clear. Now here you can see here V to F distance is equal to 2 mm and here C to V equal to 3 mm distance. Now draw a perpendicular line of CF from the point F and here draw the arc from point F from the point V, and here radius of R equal to V2F from this point. Now here, draw a array from point C and connect there are 2 points. Now here, now draw a parallel line from the point 1. Now at the same distance, line 2, 3, and at least 4 here. Now mark as this is point 1, 1 dash, 2, 2 dash, 3, 3 dash, 4, 4 dash. Now take a arc of length equal to take a arc of length which is equal to 1 to 1 dash and draw the arc from the focus point F on both sides of 1 and 1 dash. Now take a arc of length which is equal to 2 to 2 dash, 2 to 2 dash and draw the arc from focus point F on the both sides. Now take a arc of length which is equal to 3 to 3 dash, 3 dash, and here also draw a arc from point focus point F. Now point 4, take a length of arc equal to 4 to 4 dash and draw the arc from focus point F. Now this is point P1, point P2, P3, P4. Here P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, and P4 dash. Now draw the arc from V2 P1, V2 P1, P2, P3, and P4 here. Same as here. V2 P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, and P4 dash. This is ellipse curve. Now we are going to draw a normal and tangent to the curves. So that here, take any point P. Take any point P on this ellipse curve and join P to F here. Now draw a line which is perpendicular to the P to F. Which is intersecting at the line AB. Now draw the points from which is intersecting at AB to the point P. Now this is normal of this curve. Now draw a line which is perpendicular to this line. This is tangent of this curve. Now first of all, take any point P on this curve and join P to F. After that, draw a line which is perpendicular to the P to F, which is intersecting to the line AB. After that, this line, join this line to point P. This is your normal, and draw a perpendicular line from this point. This is tangent of this curve. Stop recording.